Welcome to the Shoot Moment YouTube channel. Today, we're back with another cinematic color grading tutorial. You can download the same footage and practice along using the resource link provided in the video description. In addition to the standard color grading features, I used color curves to enhance this footage. For a detailed guide on how to use color curves, check out my 37th CapCut tutorial. I also applied a free LUT from freshluts.com. If you're unfamiliar with using LUTs, you can watch my 30th CapCut PC tutorial to learn how to add free LUTs in CapCut. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and share your thoughts in the comment section below.